Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So this just came out of the restoration shop. These are really getting hard to get. I've only had 3 or 4 of them in the last 4 or 5 years. When we got it in, it was in parts. There will be a photograph on the photo part of our listing, which will show the parts which we started with. They were all complete. They were just needed everything. So as always, what we did is we completely knocked the thing down. We did a bunch of fabrication on it first to clean everything up, weld everything up, get everything fitted correct. Then it got completely knocked down. It went out for powder coat, paint, and chrome. So what we did was the frame is all powder coat gloss black powder coat. The wheels are gloss black powder coat, as well as the stand. The stand is a cast iron stand. It's not aluminum, so it's really quite heavy, and the thing is very sturdy because it's on a cast iron stand. Then what we did was we plumbed it with some 6-volt electricity, so it has brand new transformers in it, as well as all brand new light bulbs. We wanted to tame it down, so Jeff, come around and just show them the front of it a little bit here, because if you put this in your home or a place of business, you don't want this. This would be a regular light bulb, a regular headlight bulb, and it would be extremely bright. So we tamed it down with some nice little 6 volts, as well as the back. We did it in a candy apple dark wine or burgundy paint, clear coat, color sand, buffed. Then we had our stripers come in and do all the striping. This is these are super hard to get, 1950s. We reupholstered the seat, as well as we added a nice little Indian dealership sticker here. And if you get a chance, make sure you note the phone number, because it's a short phone number and back from the day. Super nice, hard to get. We couldn't find another place to put any money in it. Everything is gorgeous, has license plate frame, stoplight, gear shift, cast iron stand, everything is chrome, candy apple. Everything on this motorcycle is metal. There's no plastic parts. Steel fenders, aluminum cast tank, steel fenders, steel wheels. Everything is steel. There's no plastic. They didn't use it back in the day. Once again, this would have been in the 1950s. It would have been at a carnival on a ride with possibly more motorcycles, fire engines, police cars, etc. Super, super nice piece. A lot of love went into this, as always, and somebody's going to have a one-of-a-kind. Even though there may be a few more of these around, this is the only one that you'll find which has been customized and done in this fashion, and as well as in this color. Stunning piece, nice valuable piece. Always, this is a beautiful investment piece. It's going to bring you a lot of joy if you put it in your house. So if you want a beautiful 1950s Indian kiddie ride motorcycle, this could be for you. And as always, folks, thanks for watching our videos. You guys chime in. We hear a lot on a daily basis, and we appreciate you telling us that you like our videos and how much information you're getting out of them. Anyway, if you like this, we'll get this on a pallet. We'll get it all wrapped up really super nice, and we'll just have it delivered right to your place of choice. 1950s Indian motorcycle, fabulous piece. Thanks for watching our videos.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.